Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am making raw mango chutney. Every summer when we get these delicious raw mangoes, we make this chutney. It is a perfect blend of raw mangoes, coconut and green chili. The tempering also adds up an extra aroma to the chutney. So let's start. Take one fresh raw mango. Mango should be hard to touch. Wash it and chop into small pieces. In a mixie jar, add 2 tablespoons roasted peanuts, 4 to 5 garlics and 4 green chilies. You can add more chili if you want your chutney more spicy. Add 1 tablespoon jeera and 1 full cup of chopped mangoes. Grind all the ingredients without water. You can see the mixture is coarsely grinded. Now add salt to this and 1.5 cup of fresh coconut. Also add coriander leaves with stems. Now grind this to a fine paste. Add water as required. Here I have used half cup of water to grind this. If you make chutney this way, it will not get watery after some time, which usually happens. The groundnuts which we have added will prevent the chutney from becoming watery. Now transfer it into a bowl and adjust salt as per your taste. For tempering, take 1 tablespoon of oil. When oil becomes hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Add half teaspoon of chana dal. Let it fry for a while. Add half teaspoon of grated ginger to this. Add 1 red chili, some curry leaves and half teaspoon of asafoetida to this. Nice and crispy seasoning is ready. Add this hot seasoning to the chutney and mix it well. Very tasty and flavorful chutney is ready. It is a great combination with rice, idli or dosa. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.